I chose the educational tool known as Google Docs. Google Docs is a word processing software that is part of Google Workspace, a collection of productivity and collaboration tools from Google. It's accessible as a website, a mobile app for both iOS and Android, and a desktop app for Chromebook. There are many pros to Google Docs. First one, and most important, is that it is free. It's very easy to use. There's no learning curve. It's accessible from almost any device. It's especially helpful on Androids because Google is the default software and Google Docs is the default word processor app that is automatically on your phone. So it's very easy to use on Android. It's easy to collaborate on. Multiple people at the same time from different devices can go collaborate on a document. Every document that you make is automatically saved into Google Drive. You can work offline, and as soon as you get back online, it will save to Drive. While you're offline, it will save to the device you're on. It's very helpful for when you're traveling or you just don't have internet access at the moment. You can still write your assignment, edit your assignment, and as soon as you get internet back, it saves. It can be downloaded and shared as a Word or PDF document, which is helpful for me because my communications teacher only accepts Word or PDF documents for assignments. So all I do when I use Google Docs is go to download and press either Word document or PDF document, and it saves as that. It's easy to share because you can either make a link of your document and share it with many people, or you can individually email it to people. My only con with Google Docs is the formatting is not the best. It's very hard to format on here, and I'll show you that in a second. I currently use Google Docs as part of my English essays, part of communications, for outlines on my speeches, and I use it for my own personal reasons. So here's an example of my English essay that I just finished on Sunday. Everything you need for MLA format, like Times New Roman, 12-point font, is right here. The most basic functions is on Google Docs, very easy to use. And here's my Day of the Dead outline for a speech I have to give. It's very hard to make an outline on here because the formatting has some issues. Not sure what, but I struggled to actually make it an outline because the letters and everything would not line up correctly. I have used it in this class whenever I did not have internet, but we had a discussion assignment. I used a bit of data on my phone, copied and pasted the questions, turned off my data, answered the questions on Google Docs, and then as soon as I had Wi-Fi again, I just copied and pasted my answers right onto D2L and submitted it. So in conclusion, Google Docs is a free, very easy to use word processor that every college student can use for their typed assignments. And here is my works cited.